Good morning, welcome to Planet Mojo. Today I'm going to clear out this area and do some electrical work. I have my 3D electrical plan drawn up here. I'm the only one that can read these. It's kind of in code, but it'll suffice. So what I got to do today is get the wire going across and to everything on this side is what I'm thinking. I don't know if I'll be able to get it all done today or not, but at least I want to get this whole area cleaned out. I have to have access to every stud here to drill the holes for the wires, and that works its way all the way back. Actually, where that window is, that's going to end up being a door, so I got to go over it, and I have to get across here. In the end, the big thing is to get everything in this ceiling so I can finish up the insulation up there. I'm as far as I can go with that before I get everything that's got to go across. So what I got to do is get this all cleaned up nice and tidy. Once this side's done, I got to shove everything back over to the other side and then do this side. It's quite a bit of work, so I better get going on it. clear path to go. I got to drill a hole through each one of these, so I got a clear path to do all that. And then here I have to come through. This is a California corner. I got to get in here with a close quarters drill through there. And then, like I said earlier, everything has to come up and over. I could actually go up into the ceiling there, but I don't think I will. I think I'll just go right through there. I need to come down. I believe, no, I don't have a switch here. The switch is over there. So it'll just be outlets down here. Like I showed you before, this is the basic plan. I have the outlets on this lower part here. This is the wall over there. This is that wall, and the back wall here. And then this just shows the diagram for the four-way. The four-way has a four-way switch right by where this door is going to be, a four-way by that back door, a three-way by that door, and then another three-way right by the main house door. I'll show you how to wire a four-way switch when I get to it, but all four of those switches will turn on and off the lights in here. So if you come in from the outside and it's dark out, you can turn the lights on from right here. And once we do the addition, if you're going to bed, you can turn it off from right by the door there. Turn it on from here, turn it off from there. And the same thing with over here. So the next thing I need to do is take these boxes, and I need to lay one out in each place where one goes and start drilling holes. Then I can pull some wire and we're off to the races. Okay, so I have a little story stick here. This is what I used as the backer when I did all that soldering up there. You gotta get out, kitty. So if I place this right at the edge here, and then I mark it right here and right here, right in the center of that, right where this corner is right here, that's where I want to drill. And I'm going to run all the way down to the other end. And what I think I'm going to do, once I get through this monster, and I don't think I have the bit out here right now, so I'll probably have to do that tomorrow. I'm running really late. We had to go do hay, got 2 loads of hay up, and I had to do some other stuff, so I'm running really late. But I'm going to come all the way across here. This is going to be 2 circuits, 3 outlets, and I'm going to put it on 2 circuits. And I think I have 3 wires, so I'll only have to pull that 1 piece of Romex. So I'll go through here, and I'm going to go up and up into the ceiling, then right along that truss up there. And once I get to here, of course, I'll go on this and go all the way back and get to the panel. So it shouldn't be too hard. Quite a few holes, but this triple is going to be the big one. Okay, so let me get these marked and get them drilled, and then that's probably going to be it for today. Okay, that's it for today. Went pretty good, except for this one. I hit a screw in the first hole. I don't know how I did that and not do it in the other ones, but I did. And then I went down below it and I hit a screw there as well. So that took 3 holes to get it done, but that's fine. So tomorrow I got to get the boxes nailed in, and I need to get the rest of the way through here. When I hit them nails, the second you hit a nail, or a screw especially because they're harder, you dull the hell out of your bit. So I'm gonna have to see if I can sharpen that up or find a different bit to finish the job. I used a 1-inch instead of that 7/8 for the rest of these, but it's a short little bit and it can't quite make it all the way through this triple here. So I got to get the rest of the way through that, up through the top plates, and then over, and then I got to drill through this as well and come down. What I'm going to do, I'm going to have just 2 boxes on this wall. I had it listed for 3, but there's just not that much space here. I'm going to put one right there and one right here. So I'm just going to come down in one place and then go over. This will be 1 circuit, 2 circuits, 2 circuits. And what do I have listed? Yeah, I just have 2 outlets on this wall, but those are going to be much harder to do. Or not much harder, but it's not going to be as straightforward as drilling holes. Then I have a line coming for the furnace, but this wall can mostly wait. I really got to get the wire pulled to this stuff so I can finish up the insulation. But actually, I don't think I'll be able to do this tomorrow. I still don't have my pruning done. I got 3 trees here. I have a couple little branches on the oaks that I planted last year that were like snapped. I might get them cut clean before the oak wilt starts getting around. And I have 4 rows left in the vineyard, and that could take a full day, a day and a half. So I'm going to tackle the vineyard tomorrow. Oh, and I have the vines up here all need to be pruned as well. Pruned and or taken out for good, which I'm going to do on at least one over here. So it looks like it's going to be outdoor work tomorrow, and then I'll get back on this. I think in 3 days it's going to be raining, so this will be a good day for that. So when I do the pruning, I will give some quick advice on how to prune. I'm doing a lot more shaping this year, so it should be pretty interesting. And down in the vineyard, I had promised to show a complete vine being pruned, and I was going to do it on the next row when I did the last pruning, but that never happened. So I'll show that as well. So if you want to see all that stuff, make sure you're subscribed and click on the update icon so you're notified when I post new videos. If you can give us a thumbs up and or share the video, it would help us out greatly. Thanks for watching and have a great day.